Hi everyone, it's Lani from Fogelberg Consulting here with another weekly business survival update. This week we've been expecting to hear more from the government, and today they delivered. They've announced support initiatives in three key concern areas, being taxation, commercial rent and business support. I'm going to talk about the tax stuff first because I know that everyone's going to be wanting to have that broken down into words that we can understand rather than the jargon that's always released in the media. So the first initiative that they're rolling out is the tax loss carryback scheme. So what does that mean? Normally in business, when you have a loss in a financial year, you can carry that forward to a profitable year so that you pay less income tax on your profitable year. What they are proposing under this initiative, which is likely to come into effect on the 27th of April, is that losses can be carried back to profitable years. That really makes sense in the context of the pandemic because a lot of businesses will be facing losses in either the 2020 financial year we've just finished or at the end of the 2021 financial year that we're just beginning. Say, for example, you end up having a loss in the year that we've just finished. If you had a profit in the 2019 financial year, what this initiative will enable you to do is carry your 2020 loss back into the 2019 profitable year and essentially get a refund on some or all of that income tax that you paid in the profitable year. So that's going to mean potentially a cash injection back into the business straight away. Without this change, if you're experiencing annual losses in your profit, you'd have to wait until a profitable year so that you can carry the losses forward. This mitigates that. Now, unfortunately, it's not going to benefit every business, and the government, they've really recognized that, and they've also identified that these initiatives are not the easiest to navigate, whether it's the tax stuff or the business finance guarantee scheme or even the wage subsidy. So what they've done is thrown an additional $25 million of funding for businesses to access consultants like myself and other experts for free. Previously, they'd only thrown $1.5 million at this, which was only enough to stretch to sort of 700 to 1,000 businesses. $25 million is going to enable a lot of businesses to reach expert advice for free over the next 12 months. Businesses who are struggling and can't take advantage of these tax initiatives or they're not in a position to take on additional debt are really going to benefit from having some additional guidance. So that's the second big announcement from the government. There is one other big taxation issue that they addressed as well, but it's not going to apply to a huge number of businesses, especially the smaller ones. But to businesses who are looking at raising capital and getting cash injections into the business from investors, for example, are now going to be able to carry their tax losses forward into profitable years. At the moment, if there's significant ownership structure within a business, businesses lose their right to carry those losses forward. So that change kind of puts us in line with the taxation laws in Australia at the moment. I'll provide some more information about that on my blog because I don't feel I should go into it in any depth in this weekly update. Sing out and I can help you if need be, or reach out to your accountant if you want specific tax advice. The next initiative is around rent. Now, there's only so much the government can do under the Property Act for commercial tenants, but they have increased the notice period that landlords have to provide when terminating leases from 10 days to 30 days. Now, remember that landlords are business owners too. So what they've also done is made the banks ease up on how quickly they descend on commercial property owners to repossess and mortgagees sell their commercial property. So that notice period has been extended from 20 days to 40 days. Those are the biggest updates that I have for you this week. If you have any questions, please, of course, sing out, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help. I'll post some more detailed information about some of these initiatives that I've discussed on my blog, which I will make sure are linked in the post of this video. And I'll see you next week for another update.